Okay. Okay. My presentation.
We can see your presentation.
Okay,
already.
but no, in this shape. Oh my God. This is my presentation. Okay. Share. Here. If 5. If 5. You can see my presentation now.
No. We can
No.
see your face only.
My face. Okay. Here. Share. Share.
We
And
can see
now?
now. Yes.
Yes. Now. Okay. If 5. Okay. You can see my presentation.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, on the all screen or just a little bit of screen?
It's not all screen. It's in PowerPoint.
Oh, where is here? Maybe. No. Back. It's for the first time for me, which happened.
But it's okay. We can see
It's okay. Here,
in this
side by
shape.
side. It's okay, side by side. Okay.
Yes.
Again. Sorry, again. Now. You can see my screen.
Yes.
Okay. The title of the paper, data analysis and fuzzy logic modeling regarding electricity availability of photovoltaic panels. You can see that?
Yes.
Okay. So this is our paperwork, and the structure of paperwork in the future, if will happen to close all the categories to research, is chapter 1, introduction solar energy conversion. As you can see, chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and of course in the last the references. The structures of the paper is referring to solar energy, and which is the way to improve the extracting from the solar energy in the nature. After that, all in transformer in industry to extract the most powerful form potential. In the introduction, which is the solar energy with the photovoltaic effect. The photovoltaic effect, as you know, is the process that generates voltage on electric current, in which solar energy exposed which panel, in which power system are often is remote location that are not connection to the electric grid, and they also use to the power field watching in the power range. Okay. Okay, the structure of the our paper is focused by about fuzzy logic and a short description and application in photovoltaics plants. Fuzzy logic is a form of many values logic in which I don't see this. Two variables may be numbers between 0 and 1. Okay, which is the application of electricity availability in photovoltaic conventional of fuzzy logic. In this chart, we can see the influence factor about electricity availability of photovoltaic panels. We note from letters A from G. A means solar ray strength, B equals declination angle of orientation of photovoltaic power place, photovoltaic power, this is a little big mistake. Panels, okay. C is the time of irradiation. C means dirty panels, pollution, shading of cloudiness. E is solar ray strength. V is redundance, and G is electricity storage. As this is the chart flow of settings in which we adjust the values of the basic influence factor which influence the electricity availability of photovoltaic conversion system. With starting, we need to adjust the photovoltaic position, increase the reservation. Reservation means which is the power in reservation to connection links in two or much number of another interconnecting the power systems, modify shallow or nebulosity. This is quantities which we have to modify from the ground, and ensure the accumulation. Accumulation means which number of battery of accumulators in parallel put in the system. If not, is the better availability of energy, crește disponibilitatea energiei. If not, we turn back to start and we adjust again all these factors, which is the possibility to adjust from using the Fuji logic availability to using the toolbox from MATLAB. MATLAB has five toolbox in which you can see FIC editor, rule editor, membership function editor, rule viewer, and surface viewer. In FIC editor, for fuzzy logic, we can define which is the range of definition for every terms which inputs in the system. For example, fuzzy logic versus Boolean logic. The Boolean logic O means nothing and 1 means everything. In fuzzy logic, random. For example, 40 years for a young man, young people means old, but for old people, 40 years means young. This is the argument in which we starting to judge fuzzy logic in MATLAB toolbox. So after that, we talking about which is the rule after enter and output. For example, if the speed is high and the break is medium, result for output speed intermedium or high. Okay. For fuzzy modeling of different applicants in different fields, explicitly for regular field problem, it can use the dedicated tools existing in multi-component problem, as you can see after that. Okay. Application to electricity availability in photovoltaic conversion system. This is a chart flow action settings in which in the start we propose to adjust the availability of electricity in photovoltaic conversion system, A, solar ray strength, and G, electricity storage. Adjust the position of photovoltaic panels. For the rows, you can see where is the possibility to adjust, modify shadows, cleaning the panels for pollution, ensure accumulation with the battery of accumulators, And if in the beginning of in the end of a chart flows from this ROM, this diamonds chart, if not, turn around to the start and adjust again the terms. An example into using fuzzy logic to evaluate that, of course, here is a very little bit letters to screen to in the MATLAB, but for example, we can after the measurements, the results of a measurement which we have as electromagnetic quantities for inverter about in photovoltaic park Salonta nearby Oradea. In measurements about a few electromagnetic quantities. And after that, the results we can see all medium is around off the medium of the maximum power of injecting in system, and base of fuzzy logic modeling system and design, we propose the system which consists of photovoltaic panels for light sensor, which with two-stepper, which increase and decrease the position of photovoltaic panels. This is the fuzzy model system. Here is the scheme in which inputs membership function to modify two axes, one axis and two axes of photovoltaic panels. The surface in which we want the decision to moving the photovoltaic panel, and for base and finally electric power is basing it to their life. Thank you.